how to use ZipRecruiter. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the ZipRecruiter app on your device. Make sure you were signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Also, make sure to upload your resume in order to start applying for jobs. Now, tap on the search bar there and search for the job title you are looking forward to and further enter your current location. You can also narrow down job listings using filters such as salary range, job type that is full-time, part-time, or contract, etc., industry, and distance from your location. You will then be shown with the jobs related to your job title and location. Tap on the job title that interests you and further go through the job description, such as the job responsibilities, requirements, company information, and various other details as such. Further, tap on the apply button and your profile and resume will be sent to the employer immediately. For jobs that require additional steps, follow the application instructions provided, example visiting the employer's website. Also, make sure to use the My Applications tab to monitor your submitted application. Check the status and respond promptly to employer messages and interview requests. So, this is how you can use ZipRecruiter. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.